Hello everyone. Today we will walk through the admin space section in Devum platform. Admin space is the main administrative area designed for users who have authority to configure and manage the platform. It is intended for administrators who handle global configurations and infrastructure level settings. The admin space is not specific to a single application or microservice. Instead, it works at a global platform level, meaning it is shared across the entire Devum environment. All microservices and solutions are managed from a centralized location. Administrators use this area to configure overall system settings rather than app-wise configurations. You can think of admin space as the control center of the Devum platform. Let's quickly go through some of the key sections available here. Now coming to app management. App management is used to manage applications within the platform. It helps administrators oversee available apps, maintain their life cycle, and ensure applications are properly organized and controlled within the system environment. In the app management section, we can create new applications. This area also allows us to manage app permissions, configure app settings, and customize various other parameters to tailor the application according to specific requirements. User pool. The user pool section is where administrators manage platform users and their access rights. It enables configuration of user roles, permissions, and access controls, ensuring that only authorized users can configure or operate specific areas of the system. From this section, we can create new users and define roles based on business requirements. Within the user pool settings, we also have various security policies. These policies are used to define user authentication rules, including password requirements and other access-related security configurations. Configuration. Configuration refers to the global level settings that govern how the platform operates. These settings define the overall behavior of the system and are applied across multiple services, rather than being limited to individual applications. This section includes environment setup, platform-wide parameters, and key administrative controls. From here, we can configure sites, set up SMTP settings, and manage other global configurations required for the platform. Microservices. Microservices represent the different services available within the platform. In the admin space, all microservices are listed at a global level, allowing administrators to view, manage, and monitor them centrally instead of app-wise. Coming to Devum Console. The Devum Console is a dedicated module where administrators can manage subscriptions, deployments, resource management, infrastructure-related settings. In short, anything related to platform control and infrastructure flexibility is managed through the console. External Control Registry. External controls allow the page builder to use pre-registered controls without the need to create or deploy additional basic controls to the server. This enables users to directly use externally registered controls within the page builder, improving flexibility and reducing deployment effort. So to summarize, admin space is designed for administrative users. It is global, not app-specific. It acts as a centralized configuration area. Therefore, it provides access to infrastructure settings, resource control, reporting, and platform-wide management tools. Thank you.